Hi class, welcome to EDU 222, the remote version. I am busy working from home. I'm doing some screencasting, recording some lectures and videos and uploading to our Canvas course, but recording from home is certainly a little bit more challenging than I anticipated that it would be. There's constant interruptions and distractions, as I'm sure you're getting. I am still recording, babe. Give me just a minute. Um, Welcome. These are my constant distractions and interruptions. This is Riley Grace, Zeus. There's the big guy here, and Garnia is the little one. But I just wanted to say, please have patience with me. I'll have patience with you. We're all in this together. We're in some uncharted territory, and together we will get through this. And it's going to still be an awesome semester. You're going to learn a lot of content, and we'll just navigate those little bumps that we have in the road. I look forward to the rest of the semester, and I can't wait to continue this journey with you. We'll talk soon. Take care.